If you need to recover your Kochava account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Kochava login page. Go to the official Kochava website and navigate to the login section. Look for the option that says Forgot Password or Need Help Logging In. Step 2. Select Account Recovery Options. Once you click on the recovery option, you will be presented with different methods to recover your account. Since you don't have your phone number, choose the option that allows you to recover via email. Step 3. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a recovery email from Kochava. Follow the instructions in the email, which may include clicking a link to reset your password or verify your identity. Step 5. Reset your password. Once you access the recovery link, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and confirm it. After successfully resetting your password, you should be able to log into your account. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, consider reaching out to Kochava's customer support for further assistance.